people in this room actually stayed with us this entire weekend. There were very few that weren't able to do that. So a lot of you people know how grateful I am for every single one of you. It's already starting. What's happening? Jeez, here we go. I really am at a loss for words to say how grateful we truly are for you guys. We know this year has been horrible in a lot of different ways. And on top of that, it's an out-of-state wedding, so we know that it was very, very difficult for each and every one of you guys to get up here, and it is not lost on us. We really do appreciate every single person in this room that is here with us today.
I know that you think that everyone's down here to thank them for coming to our wedding, but actually everyone's here because they wanted to thank you for allowing them to be a part of your birthday. You really mean the world to so many people, Mike, and I am so glad that everyone chipped in and was able to participate. I hope you had the best birthday possible. You really are the best start to my year every year. I can't believe that I get to do it for the rest of my life. I love you so much. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. We love
you. Says I love you. Today, tomorrow, forever. I'm so glad my heart found yours. Good morning, beautiful. So it's finally here. All of your hard work comes down to today. And I truly cannot tell you how unbelievably grateful I am to have you in my life. You really are my best friend, and I can't wait to stand up there with you today and promise the rest of my life to you. Anyway, I hope you aren't stressing right now and that you soak all this in. It's going to be a truly amazing day, and all I have left to say is see you at the altar. I love you, baby. Your soon-to-be hubby.
Michael, I'm a believer of love. I believe in its magic and its magnificent power. I've spent my entire life believing that true love exists. In fact, there was only one moment in my life that I tried to convince myself to stop believing. I sat down with the big man upstairs and I told him how I felt. I told God that love was great for everyone else, but that I was done. And then you walked in. And the whole world could hear God laughing.
I remember thinking, you were the most beautiful woman I had ever seen. This is tough, man. As the weeks pressed on, we hung out more and more. I knew after the first night at Fat Tuesdays, and then spending literally all night talking in the Jeep, that you were the one that I wanted to spend the rest of my life with.
It feels right.
It just feels right.
When you know, you know.
The only way I can think to describe your love is the perfect mirror of God's love for me.
The moment I knew that Mike was going to marry this woman was something so little, because as you know, Mike is very extravagant, right? I mean, look at this. This is beautiful, right? And one day I'm on Facebook and I see Stephanie's post, and she posts that she comes home from a rough day of work to flowers left in her apartment. It's the little things in a marriage that move mountains. And for Mike, it's the little things that is what I know it's important to him.
Airborne Rangers don't act this way.
I promise to continue to let you think that you're winning at our punch buggy game, and to continue to make all of our big decisions through gentleness and fairness with rock, paper, scissors. I promise that I will support you, and when I can't, I promise to be down there on my knees beside you when you fall, praying for your strength.
I promise to be the leader of our household. I also promise to tell you when I think you are right. And when I think you are wrong. In a gentle and kind manner, of course. And finally, I promise to never give up. No matter the odds. No matter the reason.
When I saw you down at the bottom of that hill, we were looking at the view, and it was the first time I saw it. And I was like, Mike, you think this view is beautiful? Wait till you turn around.
You okay?
I encourage both of you to continue chasing after God and making Him a priority in your individual lives as well as in your relationships with Him.
I can't promise that it will be easy, but I promise to be worth it, and to let you know that you're worth it too. You are the magic that I have always believed in, that I always will believe in.
I can't wait to see what adventures this life has for us in the future. I love you so much. And thank you for showing up today.
The end.
Then in the presence of God and your friends and family, I now pronounce you husband and wife.